Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshire Mash. Today's Wednesday, so I'm going to do a little video for you guys today. This is something that was brought back from Australia, and it was purchased from the McDonald's in Australia, in Melbourne. This is the Macca's Makers. So basically you've got like a build your own collectible Macca's. So what you have here is a kind of like Lego-esque, similar to the items that I did for Woolworths, for the farm and the supermarket. This is made for McDonald's. It's Nova Brick. I can't remember what the other ones were, but it does look kind of similar. So what you have here is a Lego put together set of the McDonald's restaurant. This is officially sold by McDonald's in Australia. I don't know about other countries. You had to pay for it. I'm not sure how much it was. I don't know if it was like $30 or $40. I'm not entirely sure. I can't remember. Anyway, so this set was brought back to me. Two sets, one for keeping and this one specifically for making a video for you guys today. So let's crack on with it. Let's get you guys closer over the counter and let's take a look at this lovely kind of Lego Macca's Maker. Okay guys, so I've got you here now. On top of this, we can have a look. 5 years plus. Officially by McDonald's, Macca's Maker, hours of play, build your own collectible Macca's. There's a picture of it there on the background. And inside the box, we have all these little package pieces, including a McDonald's Maker person. And here in the box we have the board, we have stickers, and we have the instructions. Lovely bright stickers on them. They're really cool. All the different packs. Are these numbered? No. So it's not quite like Lego. They're not numbered. Oh, you've got 2 employees. The outdoor play area, windows, everything. Right, okay, and here are the stickers. Let's have a look at the instructions. At Macca's, we commit millions of dollars each year to help Aussies in need. At the heart of this commitment is our 40-year-long partnership with Ronald McDonald House Charities, helping them support. While you're building your own mini Macca's, you're helping us build the Ronald McDonald House Charities provides. That's really cool. Now, let's crack on with your Macca's Makers bricks. So like I said, I have the instructions here. Yeah, these are all the pieces. As one of the largest employers in Australia, we're committed to instilling valuable skills in the many young Aussies that will call Macca's their first job. Not my first job, but my second job was actually working in a Macca's in my home city many years ago. Let's take out all the bricks that we need. Excuse the rustling. Okie dokie. That's everything out of the packages. So we got the board. And these packages aren't labelled, are they? It says number 10. No. Okay. Anyway. I need to find something that looks... Aha! Like a counter. There we go. That's a counter. So I need that. And that. Okay, so this shows you where you need to put the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that was a bit of luck. That goes next to it there. Dark squares. Nine and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that'll go on that. That goes on that one. So yeah, I used to work in McDonald's many years ago. I think I was there for about 2 years before I moved to London. Oh, it was brilliant. I really enjoyed it. I had a good laugh. So we need that and some stairs. There's that one. So that goes on. I can't get these to stick on the board. There we go. There's the stairs. Next, 2 benches and a table. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I assume that goes there. That one goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And there. Those 2, a table, 2 tables and 1 bench. So for these I have to put some stickers on it, which are these ones here. These are the order here menu boards. I really do. The one thing I'd sort of like miss quite a lot, and they've changed them all now, is sort of like the counter service. You don't get the counter service that you used to get. You sort of like do it on these boards, which is fine, but they're a bit hit and miss, to be honest, because some of them, they're either not working or they won't give you a receipt because it's run out of paper. So now I keep my phone handy, so as soon as the order is complete, I will take a photograph of it, because sometimes you won't get the receipt and you won't know what the heck number you are. So it's not as perfect or as easy as they make out to be. It's just something that they can do so that they can reduce the amount of employees. Oops, got that one wrong. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One there. These are quite hard to get on the board. Jeepers creepers. Okay, that's the menus. Tables. So the first table, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And then a table there. And then 2 more benches, bench seats. The table, bench, table. What? Bench, bench, 4 and 4. I've done something up here. I've cocked this up somewhere. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that. That goes next to that. Then there should be 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's fine. Next. 2 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. Inside wall stickers, so what? Right, that's the window one. What? Number 19, so stick. Okay, so on the window one, put on number 19. Which is this one. And then you put the hands on there. So 38. Goes on there. 39. Goes on there. Then we've got 40. 41. 36 and 37, pink. Okay, that looks good. So we have that one, then we have that one, then we have sticker number 6. It goes on here. And then a plain one that goes there, I think. Inside wall stickers and outside wall stickers. What? So you have to do the same thing on the inside of this? Okay. Number 18. So you have to mimic. My God, this one's fiddly. Oh, please don't tell me I put the... No, I didn't. Number 6. Yeah, number 19. Number 6. And number 18. Yeah, that's right. Well, that's bigger. What? Right. I think you're supposed to... Oh, do your plank. This was for the inside, not the outside. Right, okay, so you got inside to decorate and outside. I've decorated the outside as inside, like a plank. Oh well. I've mucked it up already. These stickers are blummin' fiddly. I thought the ones for the Woolworths were bad enough. Oh well. Cock that up big time. Don't think you'd really notice, to be honest. Unless you look very close. Right. Just try and match them up the best I can. Number 33. $34. What is your favorite McDonald's menu item? Mine is the McRib, and we've not had the McRib here in the UK for many years, which is a shame. Number 30. I remember making them. Right, okay, so that's that. Remember, inside and outside stickers are the same. They have to be mimicked. Never mind. There we go. Next. Now we move on to this side of the wall. And we need that one, a brown one, a clear one, a window frame, and the clear glass door thing. Right, okie dokie. So this is the window one. Inside, outside. So let's do the inside one first, like I should have done, on number 16. The only thing I didn't like about working at McDonald's was at the end of the night when you used to do the close down, because the McDonald's used to close at midnight in those days. Ours wasn't 24 hours. 24 hours hadn't come in for a while. I just tore the sticker. Oh, there was so much grease because everything had to be scrubbed and cleaned and polished. You have no idea. The hygiene was just amazing. Everything was scrubbed bare down. Right, so 26 is the green hand. Which kind of goes there. 25. Which goes there. 28. Which goes there. 29. I don't know how many of these were made. I'll have to have a look and see if it's got like a production number. And 27. Okay, now we do the outside, which is number 15 on here. If you do find this video not interesting, you can always mute it and turn the sound off. And put it on double fast forward or something. Right. Outside wall, so number 20. Can't believe Christmas is just around the corner. "27 days to go. We're in the last days of November while I make this video. So I've got my 10,000 subscriber video to do. So the box B has been chosen. That can't be right. Yeah, it is. Box B has been chosen. So I'll be doing the unveiling video and thank you video for that very soon. Actually, it'll be next Monday. Right, I think that's done. Right, so that needs to go on that. So that goes there. Then we have a blank grey one. Strange, but there we go. Blank grey one. Then we have the door. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to have the door opening that way. There's the door. Watch your door. On this one we put sticker number 5. Which is informations. Oh, hang on. Do you put it on the inside? Yes, that goes on the inside. Okay, so we've done that bit. Next, we have a grey, a brown, and another clear window. Pay here wall panel. So this is on the inside of the wall sticker for the clear one. Jeez. Oh, there's 2 in it. So it works out to be the grey one, the 2 of them, and the brown one. Right, okay, so stickers 1, 2, and 3. Where's sticker 1? Okay, sticker. Oh, I do love a Big Mac, I have to say, as you can tell. Number 2. Where's sticker number 2? I saw it. What? Sticker number 1, sticker number 2, sticker number 3. There's sticker number 3. Oh, there's sticker number 2. Sticker number 2. Sticker number 3 is the speaker. So this is for the order screens. And that goes there. Next we have the 2. So this one, which is the pay here. So on the inside is number 12. Which is this one here. These are a bagger to get in, these are. He says. Straight in. Thank you. Outside, number 11. No, that's not matching. Oh, scheiße. I'm going to have to start it from the top. Oh well, that one's had a bit of a car accident. Next, number 14. and number 13. These ones are a bagger to put on. Anyway, that's the drive-through window, and finally the last one's just a plain wall, thank God. Next, jeepers, I'm glad that bit's over. Right. Two with 14. So it's 2 with 11. Two with 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What? Right, 1 with 11, 1 with 12, 1 with 14, 'So, okie dokie. And on this side we use these and these, so it goes like that. That goes like that. Vertical lines face in. Plain, is it? Okie dokie. Can't see any, there's no plain ones, so that's just got the McDonald's logo on it. Going back to the front, so we have this one. The one with McDonald's. Ah, right, okay, I can see what you mean. These go vertical and horizontal. Vertical lines face in. Right, okay, so vertical lines face in. I didn't realize these are horizontal and vertical. That goes on like that. Then horizontal lines face out, there and there. Oh, we haven't got many pieces left now. Right. So got some stickers left. Right. What? Then that goes on top of that. That goes there. That goes there. I don't even want to stay in. Stay. That then goes on top of that. Climbing play area. On. It's because the base bit's really hard to stick on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that goes on top of there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that goes on top of there. And we got the sticker for this. There's 2 stickers here, number 8. Sticker number 7 across here. Is that hook on? Ah. Ah, yeah, above the... And I got it upside down. Take this off. Put it on the right way. The menu board. Fit that there. What? Um, I thought that would have... Doesn't it stick on? Hang on, let's have a look. Scheiße. Right, there we go. That's not very sturdy, but it does stay on. Okay, that's on. Menu board done. Allow the glow-in-the-dark golden arches to bask in the direct sunlight for 2 to 3 hours to absorb its energy, and then it'll glow in the dark, which is this and this. And the last sticker I have here, one of the last, is to put this Macca sign on it. There. There. Golden arches on top. That goes there. And I got some stickers left over, but I don't know where on earth these go, which is the McDonald's, and the Macca. Am I missing something with the McDonald's stickers? No. Right, so I couldn't work out where those last two stickers went, so I've stuck one there and I've stuck one there because I can't think of anything else. And you get 2 McDonald's employees, which is a shame we don't get any customers. So I'm going to make sense to put one of the employees in there taking an order. And I'll put the other employee about to go out the door because someone's waiting for their order, which is pretty accurate. Meow, not being a bitch. I'll put him on. Where to put him? There we go. I'll put him there. Waiting to go out the door, delivering an order because there's about 50 cars waiting outside. So, here we go. This is the set. Let me take you off the tripod so we can get a closer look. Okay, so here we go. Camera level down low. That's the outside of the Maccas. That glows in the dark apparently. Stickers on the window. The employee waiting to come out to deliver. That's your drive-through order. Here we have inside there the employee. Order here, pay here, pick up here. Oh god, I wouldn't want to come out to that too fast. There's no way just going to go splat for the play area, but it's quite creative. There we go. Inside the restaurant, you've got your tables and chairs, benches. Order there on the automated order points, or you can go up to the counter. No kitchen or anything, but yeah, this is really nice. I really like that. It is kind of basic, I will give you that, compared to the one that was for Woolworths. This seems to be catered for a slightly younger audience, but still, the detail on it, and to have it as kind of like a collector's piece, something genuinely from McDonald's, it's really good. It's really nice. I can imagine kids, you know, spending hours with this. I don't know, maybe using their Playmobil figures or Lego people in there. But yeah, that's really good. So there we go, guys. Direct from Australia, here in the UK. Let me just put the box. So when the in-laws said that McDonald's was doing this, my sister-in-law, actually, I think it was, told me, I was like, oh, brilliant. Get one of them, bring it back, and I'll do a video on it for you guys to see what it's like. And there we go. McDonald's merch, Lego-esque bricks type of thing. The McDonald's restaurant. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.